First rule of naming is rule 1 of the IUPAC system, and that is to identify the longest straight chain on the carbon. As you can see from this, that with different number of chains, you have different beginning stem names. For example, for one carbon, you have a meth, and so on and so forth with meth, eth, prop, ut, pent, and hex. Some examples are, for an alkane, if you have one carbon, it's a methane, or for example, if you have 3 carbons in a chain, then it's a propane.
No, actually, don't even worry about it.
So some examples that I'm going to show are to put this into practice. So for example, for a carbon that looks like this, the longest chain is going to be a butane because, as you can see, that the longest chain is this 4 here. But it also, if it was this way, then it would be it'd be a pentane because instead of looking at this, the longest chain of carbon is these 5. So for an example for you to try in class would be one that looks like this. So pause the video here and then determine the exact name that would go with this structure and press play and the answer will be given. So do that now. So the answer you should have got is pent because there's 4 here which is only but the longest one is 5 and 5 carbon chain would be a pentane. So that is the first rule in naming.